What are you two doing? Aww. Ava, get him. Show Simon who's the boss. You show him. How are you guys in there? Simon, she could kick you straight off onto the floor. Yeah, hi. Hi, Ava. Hi, baby. Hi, Simon. You two are silly. Hmm.
She's standing on top of him.
Oh well, you lost your friend, Simon. You're too much of a bully. You're too much of a bully. You're too much of a bully, little man. Yeah, well, thank you for the kisses. Maybe not. Maybe she's still gonna get you. Yeah, but you've gotten tall.